Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah guys, it's the start of a new week. We're gonna be analyzing Nasdaq, USDT, and maybe gold, guys. So before I analyze, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified once I upload new videos, guys. So guys, look at this, guys. We spoke about this channel on CPI day. I think it was last week, to say we have a big falling wedge, basically. So this falling wedge hasn't been completed and hasn't been broken out. I told you that this falling wedge is basically touching this market for the first time, second time. Here it was the third time, and it was CPI. I even further went inside to say, let's go to a 15-minute time frame to see how you can catch your entries. Basically, the market was somewhere around here. I said the market has to come and move here. This is where you will get your a very nice entry, which is a third touch. Or else, if they do not go and touch there, you need to enter when they come back and retest this zone. So basically, the setup was correct. We saw a very nice buying signal when it comes to Nasdaq. We saw a we saw a selling signal when it comes to Nasdaq. We saw selling signals coming to US30. Same thing with gold. If I go back here, I told you that on my previous analysis, I told you that we are seeing a very nice head and shoulder. Gold, if we're going to be selling, gold is not going to sell for too long. We're going to be seeing a sell coming to this level. Nonetheless, they didn't come to that level. They didn't bounce to that level. I even calculated my TP to say the TP will come exactly on this level. Look what they did. They came to that level. They came and touched that level, guys. Right now, they are basically going down. But nonetheless, guys, we are not here to see what the market did. We are here to just see what the market is going to do this week, guys. Throughout this week, we need to see what exactly the market is going to be doing. Let's analyze Nasdaq from scratch, guys. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be removing each and everything on top of this chart of Nasdaq, and I'll go to the higher time frame. You know how we analyze. I just want to send a shout out to Nasdaq Ninja. This is his strategy. I didn't implement the strategy. I'm just taking it from him. I'm also doing this because he's doing it, right? So guys, let's jump into it, guys. You know, guys, if you follow Nasdaq Ninja, this is how we always analyze. So basically, once I start with analyzing, I always go to the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame at the moment. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to specify my higher zone and then specify my lower zone. This is where they are at the moment. So this is basically my highest and the lowest. After specifying that, I need to specify my zones, basically. So is where the market touches, the market reverses. This is basically here. The market touched here and gave us a big movement. They came back and touched this level here and gave us another big movement. We can see the market right here. It gave us a big movement here. Remember, guys, I'm on Nasdaq. You can see this level basically came back and touched it right here. So we have another one here. They touched and give us a big movement. You get the gist, guys. Let me not repeat the same thing over and over again. Let me just specify all these zones. We're gonna get the direction of the market pretty much soon right now. So since the other zones are so far, I'm not going to be specifying them. So we're going to stop right here with the zones, guys. So basically, after you specify the zones, you can specify them on a weekly time frame and a daily time frame. They are way much stronger when it comes there. So these zones are the ones that are helping us to know where the market is going to stop or where the market is going to reverse and giving us our entry points. So I'm going to go to daily time frame. So our take on our daily time frame, guys, after specifying the zones, the next step is to specify the trend of the market. Where is the market going? Did the market break a trend line? Did the market is still ranging within a trend line? Are we going on an upward trend or a downward trend? That's basically what you need to look at. So after doing all your zones, you need to specify your trend. So we had this trend line, the big trend line that was broken out. I think we spoke about it, that this big trend line, it was a rising wedge. It broke out. They came back and retested that rising wedge. But right now, if the breakout is testing that rising wedge, it means you have to expect selling position. I believe if we see selling position, guys, we might see selling position up until this level, guys. So that's basically what I'm seeing at the moment when it comes to this analysis that I'm making. But yeah, guys, so this trend line is already broken and it's too high. We're on a higher time frame. I think I'm already seeing another one which is small at the moment, which is giving us another direction of the market, so which is this one here. So we have this trend line is forming a falling wedge, which is what I like, guys. I like to see falling wedges, guys, and rising wedges because I know they give us big movement. So under this falling wedge is the one that we saw on CPI. We said they touched it for the first time here, the third for the second time, and then the third time they gave us a reversal. So we are expecting the reversal to come somewhere here, which is where that breakout showed us that we need to come to that level. And another one here, guys, we are seeing another zone that might, this zone here might let me see something, just give me a second. This zone here, it might give us problems. It might give the market problems to go to the downside, guys. So here we have a very nice zone here. You see this zone that I see, they came back and gave us a big movement here. If the market is failing to break out this zone, it means we're gonna be coming to this level here. So if they don't break out this zone, we are coming to this level. I think the selling positions at the moment, we are looking at them up until here. We're looking at the selling position up until this zone here. Only if they are breaking out this channel here. I believe you understand me, guys. Only if they break out this channel here, we're gonna come here. And but none overall, basically it's a falling wedge, and on a falling wedge it's always a very powerful a falling wedge is always a powerful setup to go to the upside once it breaks to the upside, guys. So you see this falling wedge, once it breaks out to the upside, I think we're going to be creating new highs, guys. So look at this. So if the falling wedge breaks here, we are coming here, but I believe this here will be our ultimate entry points. So for buying opportunities, I believe we need to look for buying opportunities. We're gonna create new highs here. I think once they touch here, you go there. Here you can say you wanna buy, but I can't put it like that at the moment. I'm not giving you a signal here. I'm saying if you see a reversal pattern here, you know that we're gonna be buying, because overall we are seeing buying momentum being stronger. Selling momentum, we're just coming to this level, which is not that much. So I think I'm gonna go to the lower time frame and see exactly what we are going to be seeing, guys. You know, I like to go to the lower time frame to see my entry points. I'm gonna go to the H4 time frame. We know that the market has to break out this channel, and this channel as well is a very important channel, guys, when I'm looking at it, guys. So this channel, it's a very important. I can even adjust it to come somewhere here. We saw it might be a very good channel, a W channel. You can see they started here, came back here, and then they break out, and right now they're coming back to retest it here. You might be saying, that's why I say if they break out here and go to the downside, it means we're going to the downside. But if they're giving us reversal patterns on top of this level, let's just put it here to be on the safe side. I believe I like to put it on the safe side because I hate um getting pullbacks and blowing accounts before the market moves to my direction, you know. So basically the setup that I'm seeing right here is that they give us a very nice W, and it's huge, this W, basically. So let me put it like this. So this W they gave us like this, and then it came here. It's not a nice W basically at the moment, but you can see it's huge. When they break out that W, they came and tested this level here. Right now we're expecting them to come here and give us buying signals here on this level. If they give us buying signals here, we need to come and break out there. That's basically my trading plan, guys. But if they break out this grayish line that I just put here and start playing below this, then we will start looking for selling opportunities. I hope you understand my analysis, guys. The only selling opportunities that we're looking for is when the market is playing below the gray line, because this neckline has been broken. They give us the same time retest. They were going down, they were going up with it. They're still coming back to want to touch it for the second time. And if they touch it for the second time here, it might be giving this support power to go to the upside again, guys. So selling opportunities are not that strong at the moment. They are only strong if they break out this gray line. Hopefully I make sense. Let's see entries again, guys. I'm going to be doing this. Let me do this. I'm going to go to another lower time frame just to see opportunities. We are on a 1 hour time frame right now. Okay, so what I can do right now is to put a trend line here. We can put another one here. So these are major keys basically, guys. So guys, when I'm looking at it at the moment, guys, you can buy here, but it's very, very risky to buy from here. From my side, I will wait for the market to give me what do you call this, spikes, to come to the lower side. Maybe if it spikes down here, because right now is around 10:30, I'll wait for the market to come and spike down here. Hey, what's happening? Yeah, wait for the market to come and spike down here, and then I'll put my buying orders right here, and then I'll continue going up with it. So basically my entry point is sitting right here, my buying point, sorry guys. So my buying point is sitting right here, and then stop loss will be somewhere here. If they come and touch here, basically I'm going up with them, because I'm coming to say they are basically coming to retest the neckline again and then continue to go to the upside. That's basically what I'm seeing at the moment. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, guys, I think I'm going to wait for this. Look at the gap. They give us the gap right here. They cover that gap right now. They're trying to come back right here and retest that zone. Hopefully I'm making sense, guys. You see the setup of NASDAQ. I think the falling wedge, the reason why I'm saying we need to look at the falling wedges, guys, is because falling wedges are very, very powerful when it comes to buying opportunities, guys. Falling wedges are very, very powerful when it comes to buying opportunities. And we got another major key inside that falling wedge that is giving us buying opportunities again. Right now, we just wait for them to come and touch this level. We're going to go up with them, and then our first TP will be here. I think once we hit our first TP, then we'll start looking at retest outside the big falling wedge here, and then we'll go and create new highs after that. I think that's basically what I'm looking at the moment, guys. At the moment, look at this. This is the setup I'm seeing. I'm seeing a buy when it comes to NASDAQ. Maybe 3:30 we might be looking at those buying opportunities, or around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So basically this is what I'm looking at today. I'll be jumping into those buying opportunities once the market does what I want. Okay, guys, I think that's it when it comes to NASDAQ. Let me go to gold at the moment. I think with gold as well, we analyze this. I'm not going to start it from scratch, guys. We can see gold basically, it's giving us nice vibes, guys. Gold is giving us nice vibes. We can see right there. They came back. It was a falling wedge as well. Under gold, we have a falling wedge that touched 1, 2. We can say it touched for the 2, and then this is for the 4th time here. I'm expecting gold to basically break out this falling wedge. You remember on US30, I said falling wedge basically gives me a buying momentum, and already the TP of my what do you call this, my head and shoulder on my previous video is already being hit. Remember I said I'm seeing a head and shoulder here. We're seeing a head, we're seeing a head here, left shoulder and the right shoulder. If the neckline of those head and shoulder is broken out, the TP is calculated something like this. You see from the breakout, this is where the TP is going to come back. So we see the market is basically came back there. I think right now, the entry points to see new buying opportunities, I don't think the market will come back to the neckline at the moment, guys. So basically, what you need to look at is entry points under this level. So this level is very important, guys. So I think we're gonna see market returning from here. We can see they even gave us a big movement when it comes to here, guys. So just look at this market to come and touch here, and then you can continue with your buying opportunities, guys. Let me just put it here a little bit, especially on the green bar here. So that's basically it. Once they touch here, I think we'll see a very nice reversal. If I go to the lower time frame, you just need to see your setups on the lower time frame, guys. Let me see something. With the lower time frame, I'm seeing a breakout. It's a channel breakout, and to see exactly if that channel breakout is going to give us a very nice setup, I think it looks like our TP is somewhere here for the setup. So let me just put something like this. So this is where we're gonna need to see our buying opportunities. It's either you start buying somewhere here, or you start buying somewhere here, just because this channel has been broken, guys. So, and you know, that's how I calculate my TP. If a channel has been broken or trend line has been broken, I put that somewhere there. That's only the addition that I put on the NASDAQ strategy, guys. So here, and we know that the market has to come and hit the TP there, guys. But yeah, overall, the market for gold is gonna be buying, guys. So it's gonna be buying. We're looking at long position under this level. Look at the level is 1894. Don't forget that. You know that me, I give you exactly where you're gonna enter, and you know the market always tend on top of my zones, guys. So that's basically what I'm seeing when it comes to gold, guys. So basically, gold, we're looking at buying opportunities. If they touch here, we're gonna buy. I think, yeah, I think where we are, just because I zoomed out, I'm seeing something that I missed, guys. So I think let me see, where was I? I think I missed a very good entry, because you see this, it could give us some drawdowns. So I think basically this one here will be good. So yeah, the TP one, the TP from the rising word that we broke out here is basically giving us a very nice opportunity to buy. The reason for that is because we had a demand zone that started the big movement right here. We can see that the demand started a big movement here. Let me see that. Yeah, so that's where the big movement started. We started to see the movement going up. I believe the market has to come back and retest this level again before we start going to the upside. It's either you can start buying from here, or you can start buying from here if you don't want any drawdowns. That's basically what I see when it comes to gold, USD, JPY as well, guys. I think we're still looking at USD, JPY. Let me just leave it for now, because this video is going to be long. I'll be giving you more updates, guys, when the days goes on, even maybe tomorrow or Wednesday, just to look at it and see where the market is at. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so that when I post every time, you can be notified and see, guys, where we are with the updates, guys. Thank you for watching this one. I'll see you on another video. That's it for me. Bye bye.